Here I am again, and the sirens just started going off again. This is in Minneapolis. And I'm underneath the bridge, and I don't know where the hell to go. I'm in a park. Holy crap. What's that? Where are all these leaves coming from? Only good thing I can think of is where I'm at is if there is a tornado, I will be able to see it long before it gets to me. And I'm going to kick that door in this thing and go in that tunnel. I hope that's a tornado siren and not a flood siren, because if it's a flood siren, then I'm really screwed. I'm down here at the bottom of the Mississippi. There's somebody else over there. They're probably wondering the same thing, what the hell to do. Person over there, they're just walking by the river. It's like we're screwed anyways. We're way down here. There's no place to hide. I don't know what to do. I don't want to go up on that big bridge and try to get to the city, because then I'm out in the open and I have no place to run. I think I'm just going to stay where I'm at. In Minnesota. Minneapolis. Well, this is not good. Here I am in Minneapolis, and the tornado sirens just started going off. I'm kind of SOL where I'm at. There's not really any place for me to go. There is Minneapolis. I'm underneath this big bridge here. know where to go. I'm thinking maybe underneath that bridge. Huh, what's this? I really don't know where the hell I can go right now. I got a good van. At least I could see the tornado. If it is coming, I can hide somewhere, hopefully. Maybe in a drainage pipe or something. Crap. Since I am lower than everything around me, I think I'm going to stay down here. At least I have a pretty good view.